Let's compare the online virtual musical spoons to the real thing.
So here we have the musical spoons graphic, and if we click it, so it does this side-by-side animation, doesn't really work in the same way that musical spoons would. Usually the bowl part of the spoons are meant to clap together, which is why you get that clap sound, but it doesn't happen with these specific ones. And that's another clapping sound. I think the first one was like a clapping sound on a leg, then on a hand. Another one on a hand, but with the hand facing a different way. There's a lot more air inside that sound. And that's like a galloping sound. That's one of my favorite sounds with the musical spoons. So we've got these 4 sounds and they're looping and repeating. Let's see how the real ones compare.
So these ones are made from solid wood. When you hold the spoons in your hand, you feel like you have a lot more control. You have more control over the tone, depending on where and how you play it. You have control over the volume. And you get to explore with the order of the sounds that you actually want to create. If you want to try the virtual musical spoons, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. Or if you'd prefer to find out which spoons are right for you, then I'd highly recommend checking this video on screen now.